Hey guys, Samsung planning to very soon launch Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 smartphone in the Europe market. Yes, Galaxy Xcover series smartphone finally coming next year. Galaxy Xcover 7 smartphone will be featuring a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. And out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0. The phone also comes with IP68 rating, studio speaker and 5G. The smartphone powered by 4000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charger supported. 4000 mAh battery is not a great standard has 2024 other smartphone. So Samsung have to increase the battery capacity Galaxy X Cover series. So let's now talk about the price. The smartphone comes with a less than €400 in the Europe. So that's all about Galaxy X Cover 7 smartphone. All the leaks and specification and also the price. Let me know in the comment section below your thought. So if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.